Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are working on a Diecast 164 model. This isn't our build for today or this week, but it is a future build for the Diecast Mafia. Also, speaking of Diecast Mafia, I would like to give them a quick shout out and thanking them for letting me join the Diecast Mafia community, and I will be taking parts in their build every month. So, start looking out for Diecast Mafia builds in the near future. So, with our casting here, today, what I have planned is to teach you guys how to drill properly and take your car apart the proper way. A lot of people do this just to show others who might be interested in the hobby to pretty much the steps on getting started. And I'm going to show you guys my way of getting started on every single build that I do. So let's get into it. First off, you're going to want to flip your car over. You're going to look at these rivet. Well, there might be more than one rivet. Some cars have 2, some have 5, some have 4. It just depends on the car. This one only has 1 because it connects in the back here. So we're going to start with our drill bits. So what I like to do is grab a drill bit that fits over the rivet pretty much completely. Pretty much, but leaving just a little circle on the outside here. So let's see if we can show you guys there. So like that. Once you do that, you're gonna put your drill bit in your chuck. Make sure it's tight. And start drilling out your rivet. And then, once you drilled it out, it should look something like this, or more smooth, honestly, so I'm going to keep going. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change to a bigger size just to be safe. Okay, that's too small. And the size we're going to go with is a couple up, just to make it even. So. I think this is ready to pop off. What I like to do next is go over to your workbench and grab a flathead screwdriver. Done as so, like this. And you're gonna pry the, let's see if we can pry it off. Pry it like that till it snaps, and then pull your car apart. Like so. And then, once you are through with that, you have your pieces all together. So you got your bottom with your wheels, you got your glass, you got your interior, and then you got your casting, like so. It's fairly simple. Just remember, if you guys are under the age of 12, to have a parent help you take cars apart if you do wish to customize them. Also, a lot of people, once they're at this stage, they like to smooth it down with a file, like I do. And then after that, they like getting a 1/16 tap and tapping that hole out so they can put a little micro screw in it to tighten it. But I sadly don't have the right size of tap, so I use just super glue to super glue them all together. Again, guys, remember, if you are under the age of 12, make sure to have a parent We would not want anyone getting hurt trying to do this. This video is short this week, and I apologize, guys. I've been very busy after the holidays. Also wanted to say happy holidays to everybody again. I hope everyone was safe and had fun, and I hope everyone got what they wanted for Christmas. With that said, we have a Diecast Mafia video coming out next week, and we have a part 2 of the Lego Camero build coming out probably in the next couple days, because I know some of you actually enjoyed that, and because it was something a little different. So, till next time, guys, this was Cuda. See you guys next time.